Today we're going to make a delicious farro salad. Now you can serve this salad as a side dish, or you could add grilled shrimp or chicken to it and have a whole meal. Now, a quick note before we get started. I used pearled farro in this recipe. If you use whole farro, you have to soak it in a bowl of water overnight in the refrigerator and then drain it before you make the recipe. And it takes twice as long to cook. But everything else is the same, so let's get to it.